Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information and now here you'll find language settings here, and now you can manage it as you want, and that's it. That's how to find language settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.